Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Grok AI. So first, you need to search Grok AI on any browser and then scroll down and click on the first one right here. Now next, what you need to do is to click on Try Grok at the top right. Just click on that and it will redirect you to this page. So what you need to do is to click on sign up if you don't have an account yet. So click on sign up right here. Now, next, so you can sign up with your email, your Apple ID, or your Google account. So I'm going to click on sign up with Google and then choose my Gmail account. Now, once your account is ready, you can use Grok in different ways. So on X or Twitter, you can click the Grok icon. On the web, go to grok.com, and on mobile, just download the app. So Grok is built directly into X, so it works like a chat inside the platform. So premium users unlock better models and features, and some features may require an X premium subscription. So just a quick recap. So go to sign up page, choose a login method, enter details, and open Grok via X or website, and upgrade if needed. And that's it. You're now ready to start using Grok AI and explore what it can actually do for you. But don't stop at signing up. Take a few minutes to really test it. Try it asking questions, generating ideas, or even using it for content, business, or daily tasks. So the more you use it, the more you'll realize how powerful it actually is. Also, keep in mind that Grok is constantly evolving, so since it's built by XAI, expect more features, smarter responses, and better integrations over time. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.